Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to log into Frost Bank account quick and easy. Follow the steps, and if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Frost Bank account, go and click open any web browser first. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box at the top of the screen and type in www.frostbank.com and press the Anthony keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Fresh Bank. Now, in order to log into your account, at the top of the screen you'll be able to see that there is a username box, password box, and then a login button. If you already have an account, you can simply enter your username in the text box where it says use your name, type in your username correct, and move on to the next field and type in your password. Double-check your password before moving on by clicking on this icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on this sign-up link and follow the instructions and register yourself to a new account. If you'd like any kind of a help, for example, in case you forgot your username and your password, you can click on this login help option right below the username box and follow the instructions to either look for your username that you've forgotten or in order to reset your password. Once you type in all the credentials correct, click on the login button and therefore you'll be logged into First Bank account quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send it back to Sport Tutorial episode. Goodbye till